Hey friends, this is Arthur for Well, and welcome to the new update on Ontology and Ontology Gas as well. The Ontology had a big event on 30th of June, and this was their announcement. They had a very big event of launching of their mainnet Ontology 2.0, and this announcement was added on 19th of June. And if we move back to the chart and we watch the price action after the 19th of June, this is the candlestick, and this is the daily chart, and this is the candlestick of 19th of June of Ontology Gas, and we can see that it is surged more than 130%. And if we watch the chart of Ontology, basically these are the two tokens of Ontology blockchain. The Ontology is the coin and the Ontology Gas is the token, and we can see that the price action of Ontology is surged only 20%. This was a rally from 19 up to 23rd of June. That was the maximum rally was 20%. And if we see the maximum rally after 19th of June, the Ontology Gas rallied more than 130%. So this was a really very big move. So in today's chart, we will try to understand this move of the Ontology Gas. First of all, let me take you back on my charts that I posted on Ontology and Ontology with Ontology Gas with US dollar pair. First of all, I would like to show you the ONT or Ontology chart, and this was the chart I posted on 6th of September 2019 when the price action of Ontology was forming a bullish shark pattern. At that time, it was completing the final leg of this bullish shark. This was the initial leg. Then A to B leg was retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. And this was the first confirmation of bullish harmonic shark move. And then the price action, this B to C leg, is projected between 1.13 up to 1.618 Fibonacci projection. This is the projection of A to B leg. Then finally, the price action was supposed to be retraced between 0.886 up to 1.13 Fibonacci retracement level. And I predicted, as per Fibonacci sequence of this bullish shark, the price action will complete this final leg. And after that, when it will be entered in this potential reversal zone, it will take the bullish divergence from here, and it should enter at least in this area from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection of C to D leg. Now you can see that I posted this chart on 6th of September, and this is the Ontology 2-week long-term chart, and the price action completed the final leg. I'm just playing this chart, and entered in the potential reversal zone and turned bullish, and again dropped in the potential reversal zone and turned bullish. 2 times it has hit this area and produced more than 113% profit from this level up to this level. And again, it is turning bullish and moving towards this potential sell zone or Fibonacci projection of C to D leg. Now, if we take a look at my ONG, the Ontology Gas chart, this was the chart, and I posted this chart on January 7, 2020, and the price action of Ontology Gas just completed the final leg of this bullish butterfly pattern. This was the initial leg, and A to B leg was retraced between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. So this was the first confirmation. Then it is projected between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection of A to D leg. And finally, the price action spiked at this candle between 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level. When I just posted this chart, the price action after completing this leg, the price action was moving above this potential reversal zone. At that time, the price was 10.3 cents, and I'm just playing this chart. The price action turned bullish, and as per Fibonacci sequence, as I predicted, the price action turned bullish and moved up to 30 cents. You can see it is moved up to 30 cents. So it produced more than 188% rally. So at that time, the Ontology Gas produced more than Ontology even at that time as well. And again, it is dropped down in the potential reversal zone and again moved up to 29.85 cents. Now, if we see the current movement of the Ontology gas on the daily chart, then the price action just formed an up channel after the mid of March, and it was moving within this channel very well. And finally here, when we had the announcement on 19th of June, the price action at that time was just hitting at the resistance of this channel and trying to break out, and the price action turned more bullish after that announcement that was added on this site by the team of Ontology blockchain, and the price action turned bullish and broke out this channel. Now, if we want the different other channels that were formed on the small time period chart after this breakout on the daily chart, first the price action formed this up channel and broke down the support of the channel, and finally the price action again formed another down channel, and at this time the price action has broke out the resistance of the channel as well, and at this time the price action is in correction mode on the hourly chart. And if we switch back to the daily chart again, then the price action at this time first time just reached at this exponential moving average 10 to retest this exponential moving average as a support. If it will be broken down, then we have the other support of exponential moving average 21. This is the first time after 19th of June the price action is retesting these supports, these exponential moving averages on the daily chart, and I'm expecting that the price action will be successful to retest these supports and it will start another rally. And if we want the different simple moving averages on the daily chart, then we have some critical situation because there is some more distance between the 25 simple moving average and the price action. This is the 25 simple moving average. This one is the 50. This is the 200, this black one, and this red one is the 100 simple moving average. Now, there are two chances that the first one is that if the price action will be moved down up to this support of the 25 simple moving average to retest it as a support, then it will need to move more down. And other chance is that the 25 simple moving average will move up as it is moving up at this time. You can see that the price, that this moving average is likely to move up in a very bullish manner, and it can provide the support by moving itself upwards to the price action or price line, and it will provide a support, and the price line will be start another bullish rally. And if we want the position or order of the moving averages, then we have the smallest time period moving average above all the simple moving averages. Then we have the 50. Then we have 200 and then 100. At this time, the 100 simple moving average is crossing up the 200 simple moving average. That can be the really very strong bullish signal because this golden cross or bull cross between the 100 and 200 is also a bullish signal. But the more bullish signal is that we will have an open alligator formation by the simple moving averages, because if the smallest time period moving average is above all, then we have the bigger one, then we have the bigger one, then the previous moving average, and we have the biggest time period moving average below all other simple moving averages, then a complete formation of an open alligator mouth will be formed. That is a really very strong bullish signal, and the price action can turn more bullish than the previous one, than the previous bullish rally. And if we watch on the hourly, on the 4-hour chart, on the small time period 4-hour chart, then the price action has formed this uptrend line. And you can see the price action is using this trend line as very good support. At this time, the price action is again at this support, and I'm expecting maybe the price action will again take another powerful bullish move from here, and it will be moving above this support line. And if it will be continuously moving above this support line, then soon it can also form a channel. For example, at this time, we can see that the price action is rejected at this level. If we place this trend line, for example, from this level up to here, then we can see that if we have this trend line here, then the price action has been also rejected previously here by this trend line. So there are more chances that the price action will form another up channel on the 4-hour chart. However, we have only 2 touches at this resistance level at this time. Once we will have some more touches, then there will be more clear formation of this up channel. At this time, I'm expecting that the price action will form this up channel once it will have another bounce from this support. So this was the update so far by the price action of Ontology gas. I'm expecting that it will turn more bullish at this time. It is in the correction mode. For example, at this time it is retesting the exponential moving average 10 as a support, and likely to use this 25 simple moving average as a support. And I'm expecting that the 25 simple moving average will move a little bit more up, and the price action maybe it will hit some more spikes up to this level, up to 25 simple moving average, somewhere at this level. And after that, the price action will start another bullish move. If you like my video, then do hit the like and do subscribe to my channel and do share my videos as well. And if you have any opinions and questions, you can share in the comment section. Take care. Goodbye.